A new chapter has opened in South Asia's military rivalry. Pakistan has inducted the J-10C, a modern 4.5-generation multi-role fighter jet from China. To many around the world, it's just another acquisition. But to India, it's a direct challenge, and a potential threat that could shift the air balance of power in the region. But what makes the J-10C so dangerous in India's eyes? Let's start with the aircraft itself. The J-10C, also known as the Vigorous Dragon, is an advanced variant of China's J-10C, customized for export. It features an AESA radar, electronic countermeasures, fly-by-wire systems, and perhaps most importantly, it is compatible with China's long-range PL-15 air-to-air missile. The PL-15 missile alone has changed the air combat dynamics. With a range of over 200 kilometers, and backed by active radar homing, the PL-15 allows a J-10C pilot to shoot first, far before Indian jets like the Su-30 Mki or even the Rafale can even detect the threat. This missile gives Pakistan the ability to create aerial denial zones over Kashmir and the northern sectors, something that India cannot ignore. And this is not just about technology, it's about timing, doctrine, and regional politics. The arrival of the J-10C came at a moment when tensions between Pakistan and India were simmering once again. Its public debut on March 23, Pakistan Day, was not just a coincidence. It was a strategic message, that Pakistan now has a jet capable of standing toe-to-toe with India's Rafales, MiG-29s, and Su-30s. Until recently, India believed it had a clear technological edge in the skies, especially after acquiring the French Rafale. But that confidence has been shaken. The J-10C was acquired faster, cheaper, and in numbers that make a real difference. And unlike the Rafale, the J-10C is part of a defense industrial network, backed by China, that offers continuous upgrades, weapon integration, and strategic depth. India also fears the shifting alliances in the region. Pakistan and China are already deeply integrated through the CPEC and military exchanges. Now, with China supplying frontline fighter aircraft and long-range missiles, this alliance is extending into the skies. It increases India's burden, having to watch not just its western but also its northern borders, as Pakistan and China potentially coordinate their air defense strategies. Moreover, India sees in the J-10C a threat to its military doctrine. India's air dominance has always been based on numbers and technological superiority. With the J-10C, Pakistan is cutting into both. Suddenly, Indian Air Force planners must rethink strike ranges, patrol zones, and early warning systems. There's another dimension, psychological warfare. When a new weapon is inducted and displayed proudly, it not only boosts morale but sends a chilling message to the adversary. The J-10C, with its aggressive maneuvers and active patrols, is already forcing India to rethink its deterrence calculations. Even in simulated dogfights, Indian defense analysts admit, if the PL-15 locks on first, the Indian pilot has seconds to respond. That fear is not theoretical, it's real, and it's now shaping India's future acquisitions and defense budget allocations. So, why does India fear the J-10C? Because it's not just a fighter jet, it's a weapon of deterrence, it's a strategic chess piece, and it's a signal that Pakistan is entering a new era of air warfare, faster, bolder, and far more unpredictable than before. Like, shares and subscribe.